Creating the wheels, we just need to go down to our other workspace. We're going to create the wheels on the right plane again by using Sketch Tool and selecting the right plane. We're going to use Circle Tool. We're going to just click in the middle of our plane, measuring out to 40 millimeters, and that's the diameter of the wheel. We're going to create another circle, and this is going to be the gap between two wheels, and that's about 5 mils, so 35 mils of the other circle. And then we're going to do where the axle inserts in, which will be 7 and 3. We're now going to do the design around the internal of the wheel. To do that, we're going to use Polygon Tool, starting from the middle, moving way up, around about the center of it. So we're going to change the amount of numbers of edges or corners to 3. Then we're going to round off each of these corners by using the fillet tool. Now it does go over the top. We just need to bring that in a little bit, like so, just to round them off. Now we're going to create a pattern to go all the way around. So we're going to select linear pattern, go down to circular pattern. Select each of the lines that we want to copy. Then we're going to adjust the number or the quantity of these over. And we're going to have 6. And it creates a nice little even pattern all the way around of the same shape that we can remove or extrude out. We're going to now need to extrude, so you need to finish out the sketch because it's only in 2D still. And finish the sketch and extrude and make it 3D. We're going to select these two parts first to extrude because they're going to go out the same distance. We'll go symmetric. And we're going to put in 15 millimeters for the thickness. Now, notice how our sketch has gone missing. Okay, we're going to go back over to the menu here and we're just going to put the eye so it appears again. And there it is again. So now we can extrude that middle bit. We're going to go symmetrical. And we're going to go the thickness of the inside rim. Four millimeters. And we're going to join that up. And there we have our rear tire. Our front tire. I'm just changing this to rear wheel because we probably need to have a front wheel and a rear wheel. And I'm going to create a new part. And I'm going to turn this one into our front wheel. I'm going to just basically follow similar steps to our rear wheel. again, in Sketch, we're going to create 2 circles, one 35 though, one 7, and the internal one 3. We take away that outside edge of 40 for the front wheel. It's a little bit smaller. We're going to go back to our polygon tool, create that nice little triangle shape for the rim. And we're going to now create the pattern around 6 around again to get that nice pattern the same, evenly spaced. Once we've done that, now we can extrude our 2D shape. $15mm for the internal where it holds the axle. And 4 mils for the outside of the rim.